Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to unsend an email in Gmail. Okay, so let's open Gmail on the device firstly, and let's pretend that I write an email. To do that, I need to click this pen icon, and let's assume that I write a real letter to someone. Let's do it this way. Okay, so when you wrote your email, you need to click send button to send your email to someone, and then you need to immediately click this undo button. The email is not delivered to someone, and your draft will reopen so that you can fix it or delete it completely. So to delete it, you just need to press this cross icon, and you can see that draft has been saved, and I can delete this draft by going to the menu section, and here I can see all my drafts. You can see that I have written this 3 times. And I should tell you that you have 5 seconds to unsend your email. But on the desktop version, you have from 10 to 30 seconds to delete your email. And here, what else important to mention, that if your email has been sent to someone, you cannot, unfortunately, you can't delete it, because you need to do that immediately after sending the email. So if the email has been delivered, you cannot delete this email. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave your thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.